today I'm doing a video with all drugstore products, and this is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So I'm using mostly Maybelline, Wet n Wild, and some Colourpop. They are completely affordable. Everything here I think is under $10. So this whole face is inexpensive, and you can find it at your local drugstore or even online at Colourpop or Ulta. And they're very affordable brands. Nothing is high-end that is mentioned. Even the brushes that I'm using are Wet n Wild and super inexpensive. The palette that I used is all from this Wet n Wild Beauty. So amazing palette, and this was only $5, so imagine that. And this is also said to be a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to insert a picture of the swatches that 50 Shades of Lippies did so that you guys can see the comparison. It's amazing. This is only $5 in comparison to $42 palette. So this whole face is very inexpensive and a very cranberry type Valentine's Day look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Thank you guys so much.
Starting off with a complete bare face, dark circles and all, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer and start priming my face. I'm gonna melt this into my skin with my hands. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil and comb out my brow hairs, and I'm gonna start filling them in. So I just fill in the bottom line by connecting all the hairs, and for the front I do vertical strokes up, and then I just fill in the top of my hairs too and brush it out. And with the power of editing, I also filled in the other brow. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and clean up any lines, which means clean up any excess hairs that show, so that my brows look even more defined and precise. And this just makes your brows pop. I'm gonna blend this concealer with my beauty blender so that it matches my skin and it doesn't look too obvious. Next, I'm going in with my NYX color corrector and using this peach colored tone and canceling out the darkness on my eyes. So I'm just priming my eyelids with this while also color correcting them. And I'm gonna blend this out with my fingers. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me concealer on top of that, just so it adds another layer of primer on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette for this look. So I'm going in with this light neutral color and putting it all over on top of the eye base so that it sets the primers that I just used. I'm going to go in with this light warm brown transition shade, and using a blending brush, I'm just going to put this all over my crease. Make sure to blend it really well so that the other colors are easier to blend after. I'm taking this purple color and also putting it into my crease, but I'm focusing it more on the inner eye. I'm going to take another brush and blend this all together. I'm using this burnt red color and I'm focusing it again on the crease, but this time it's going to be more precisely on the crease. So I'm taking a smaller blending brush to carve it out. Then with a bigger blending brush, I'm going to blend the whole look together again. With some concealer, I'm just carving out my crease. And this is to help the eyeshadow pop more. I'm going to go ahead and set this with a powder from the Rosé in the Air palette as well. Taking this brown color, I'm going to take another small blending brush and really carve out my crease. I'm focusing this around the concealer that I just put on. Next, I'm taking this magenta color and putting it on my lid. This is going to be my lid color. So as you can see, it's very nice and pink, but I did have to build it up a little bit. I'm making sure that I still keep the crease that I cut. I'm going to take a blending brush and blend all these harsh lines together so it doesn't look like 5 different colors. Next, with these Supernova Shadows, I'm going to carve out my crease once again, but this time with a glitter liner effect. And I'm just doing it from my inner corner to half of my eye. I'm not going to go all the way to the end. I'm trying to make this as precise as I can, so I used a small flat shader brush. Using the same neutral color, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Taking my NYX color correcting concealer, I'm going to take the green color and put it on my face where I have any redness or acne scars. This will just cancel out the redness. Then I'm going to go ahead and try out the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation once again and put it all over my face since it does have a pretty good coverage, so I wouldn't have to build it up. I did a full review on this, so you guys can check out the video. I did a wear test and I tell you how I feel about this foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this all out with the Beauty Blender. It does set pretty quickly, so you want to be as fast as you can when blending this out. But as you can see, the coverage is amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with my color corrector again, and I'm going to take a yellowish and peach tones and go under my under eyes. I'm going to go ahead and conceal them with my Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. And then I'm going to blend this out with a Beauty Blender. To set my whole face, I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin Superstay Pressed Powder. I'm going to first go in on my under eyes, and then with the brush, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm going to try out the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Liquid Highlighter. So I'm just putting a few dabs on my face and then blending it out with my fingers. As you can see, I put a lot, so I think a little goes a long way here. And then to set this, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow powder, and I love this highlighting powder. It's like my everyday highlighter, and I'm just going to go on top of that for an intense highlighted look. This is a great affordable highlighter. I recommend it. Taking my e.l.f. liquid liner, I'm just going to line my lids and also make a wing. I'm going to do this for both eyes, and this will just bring the whole eye look together. I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and use my new favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. And for the lips, I'm using the I Love Sarah E Colourpop collab in Mamacita, and this is a nice burgundy wine color which brings the whole look together. And this is my completed Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also go ahead and check out the last few videos I've done. Thank you guys so much for watching.